Hello and welcome. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. And today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of air compressors and their maintenance. You'll learn about the two main types of air compressors, their uses, and why their maintenance is crucial for energy conservation. We'll also introduce you to a powerful tool, the computerized maintenance management system that can make maintaining these machines a breeze. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stick around. We've got some great tips to help you be more successful. Let's dive right into the world of air compressors and their maintenance. Air compressors are a vital part of commercial and industrial facilities, powering machines and tools, exchanging clean air for contaminated air, and running material handling equipment. In fact, it's hard to find an industry that doesn't use air compressors in some capacity. Air compressors come in two main types, centrifugal and positive displacement. In a centrifugal compressor, gas enters the center and accelerates outward. Positive displacement compressors, on the other hand, are either reciprocating or rotary screw, and they incorporate rotors, pistons, or cylinders. Now let's talk about maintenance. A lot of the tasks associated with air compressor maintenance focus on conserving energy. This is crucial because the lifetime energy costs of running an air compressor can be up to 20 times the initial purchase price. By diligently checking for leaks, monitoring pressure and temperature variances, and clearing out debris, you could reduce your energy bills by a third. Additionally, finding ways to reuse waste heat can further cut down on energy costs. Here's a pro tip for you. Use a computerized maintenance management system to schedule regular checks for leakage and performance. This can help you save both energy and money. Now, let's move on to a preventive maintenance checklist for air compressors. Maintenance technicians should check for leaks daily and verify that temperatures and pressures are within the proper ranges. It's also important to drain condensate every day. On a weekly basis, you should inspect pressure relief valves, belt tension, and belt alignment. Also, check air intake components for leakage. This usually happens through worn hoses, broken air valves, or cylinder packing. Every month, check, test, and change the oil according to the equipment specifications. When you're changing the oil, it's a good time to lubricate all moving components as well. And lastly, once a year, inspect, repair, or replace couplings, seals, airline filters, and mountings. Remember, preventive maintenance for air compressors revolves around detecting and fixing leaks and maintaining proper pressure to minimize energy usage. Even though air compressors are a significant investment for businesses, the larger ongoing costs are energy bills. So, stay on top of your maintenance schedule to keep your air compressors running efficiently and your energy costs low. And that wraps up our deep dive into air compressors and their maintenance. We've covered the two main types of air compressors, their uses, and the importance of their maintenance for energy conservation. We also introduced you to the computerized maintenance management system, a tool that can make maintaining these machines easier. We hope you found this information useful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. For more information about our maintenance and reliability tools, visit us at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.